Top 7 types of tubers that diabetics should know. Living with diabetes doesn't mean giving up on delicious food. It's about making smart, tasty choices that support your health. But did you know that some of the healthiest options might be hiding right under the soil? That's right, tubers. These humble root vegetables can play a surprising role in managing blood sugar and boosting overall health. In today's discussion, we'll explore the top 7 types of tubers that every diabetic should know. From their powerful nutrients to their blood sugar balancing benefits, these root veggies could completely transform the way you think about your meals. Plus, we'll share tips on how to prepare them for maximum flavor and health benefits. Whether you're newly diagnosed or simply looking to eat smarter, this guide is packed with insights that could make a real difference. Yams. Yams are often an underappreciated gem in the world of healthy eating, but for individuals managing diabetes, they're a powerhouse worth adding to your plate. Unlike regular potatoes, yams boast a lower glycemic index, meaning they release sugar into the bloodstream more gradually. This can help prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, making them a smart and satisfying choice. Rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins like B6 and C, yams provide a steady source of energy while supporting overall health. They're also high in potassium, which is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure, a crucial factor for diabetics. Another bonus? Yams are loaded with antioxidants like carotenoids, which help combat inflammation, a common issue for those living with diabetes. What makes yams stand out is their ability to stabilize blood sugar, but that's just the beginning. They're also incredibly versatile, easy to cook, and have a natural sweetness that makes them a satisfying addition to meals. Plus, their fiber content promotes better digestion and helps you feel full longer, which can assist in managing weight, a key part of diabetes care. Incorporating yams into your diet is both easy and delicious. For a simple side dish, roast them in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil and your favorite seasonings like rosemary or paprika. You can also steam or mash them for a creamy alternative to mashed potatoes. Want a snack? Slice them thin, sprinkle with a pinch of salt, and bake into crispy yam chips, a healthy homemade alternative to store-bought snacks. Pair yams with lean proteins like grilled chicken, turkey, or fish for a balanced meal that satisfies and nourishes. Add a side of non-starchy vegetables such as sautéed spinach or roasted broccoli to create a plate packed with nutrients. For breakfast, try adding roasted yams to an egg scramble or topping them with a dollop of Greek yogurt and cinnamon for a sweet yet diabetes-friendly treat. Yams aren't just another root vegetable, they're a flavorful, nutrient-packed ally in managing diabetes. With their unique combination of health benefits, culinary versatility, and satisfying taste, yams deserve a spot on your grocery list. So why not give them a try and discover how delicious healthy eating can be? Carrots. Carrots are not just a crunchy snack, they're a nutrient-packed choice perfect for managing diabetes. With a naturally low glycemic index, carrots release sugar into the bloodstream slowly, maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Their vibrant orange color signals their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for overall health. Rich in beta-carotene, carrots support eye health and immunity, two areas of concern for many diabetics. High in dietary fiber, carrots aid digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels while promoting a feeling of fullness. Additionally, they're packed with vitamins like K and biotin, plus potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, a key factor for diabetes management. Carrots combine natural sweetness with low glycemic impact, making them a safe, flavorful option for diabetics. Their fiber content slows sugar absorption, reducing glucose spikes, and their antioxidants help combat inflammation, a condition often linked to diabetes. Carrots' versatility makes them easy to integrate into meals. Snack on raw carrot sticks for a quick, satisfying treat. Add grated carrots to salads for a hint of sweetness, or roast them with olive oil and spices, like cumin or rosemary for a flavorful side dish. Blend steamed carrots into soups or smoothies for an extra nutrient boost without compromising taste. Pair carrots with lean proteins like grilled chicken or tofu for a balanced, blood sugar-friendly meal. Combine roasted carrots with quinoa or barley for a fiber-rich, filling side. For a refreshing snack, try shredded carrots mixed with Greek yogurt and a dash of lemon juice. These combinations not only taste great but also support blood sugar management. Carrots are an all-star ingredient for diabetics, offering sweetness, nutrition, and versatility. Whether eaten raw, roasted, or blended into meals, they're a simple way to enjoy better health while managing blood sugar levels. Add carrots to your menu today. They're more than just a side dish, they're a key to a healthier lifestyle. Onions. Onions are a culinary cornerstone, but did you know they can be a secret weapon for managing diabetes? Packed with essential nutrients and bioactive compounds, onions not only elevate the flavor of your meals, but also help stabilize blood sugar levels. These humble bulbs are more than just a kitchen staple, they're a natural ally for those managing diabetes. Onions are rich in sulfur compounds and antioxidants, particularly quercetin. These components play a significant role in reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity, both crucial for diabetes management. Additionally, onions have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing dangerous blood sugar spikes. A single serving of onions provides dietary fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. Fiber aids digestion and slows sugar absorption, while vitamin C supports immune health, a critical concern for diabetics. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, further reducing the risk of cardiovascular complications commonly associated with diabetes. Onions are incredibly versatile, making them easy to incorporate into meals. Sauté chopped onions in olive oil and pair them with lean proteins like chicken or fish for a diabetes-friendly entree. Add raw onions to salads for a crunchy, flavorful twist, or caramelize them to enhance soups and stews. For a quick snack, layer thinly sliced onions on whole grain bread with avocado and a sprinkle of pepper for a healthy, satisfying bite. Combine onions with other diabetes-friendly ingredients like garlic, tomatoes, or spinach for a nutrient-packed meal. These combinations enhance the blood sugar regulating properties of onions while adding variety to your plate. For example, try a warm onion and tomato soup seasoned with turmeric, a known anti-inflammatory spice. Onions are much more than a simple flavor enhancer. They're a powerful tool for managing diabetes. With their ability to improve insulin sensitivity and provide essential nutrients, onions deserve a place in every diabetic-friendly kitchen. Whether raw, roasted, or sautéed, they're an easy and delicious way to support your health while enjoying your meals. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear which tuber has caught your attention so far. Turnips. When it comes to managing diabetes, every bite matters. That's why turnips are a must-have food for anyone focused on controlling their blood sugar. With low calories, high fiber, and a low glycemic index, turnips are a versatile and diabetes-friendly choice that can support your health without compromising taste. Turnips are a root vegetable with a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause rapid blood sugar spikes. They're packed with dietary fiber, which slows down sugar absorption in your bloodstream and promotes stable energy levels. Additionally, turnips are low in calories, making them perfect for anyone trying to manage their weight while maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Turnips are loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system, while potassium regulates blood pressure, both of which are vital for individuals with diabetes. Plus, their high fiber content supports gut health, heart health, and slow, steady glucose absorption. These combined benefits make turnips an excellent addition to any diabetes management plan. Turnips are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways. Roast them with a drizzle of olive oil, season with your favorite herbs, and serve as a hearty side dish. You can also add them to stews, soups, or stir fries for added texture and flavor. For a light and refreshing option, slice them raw into a salad with carrots and spinach. Combine turnips with other nutrient-dense, diabetes-friendly ingredients like garlic, kale, or sweet potatoes. These combinations not only enhance their flavor, but also maximize the benefits for blood sugar control. A simple turnip and kale hash sautéed with a touch of olive oil and garlic makes for a satisfying and healthy meal that keeps your energy steady. Turnips are a low-calorie, high-fiber, and nutrient-rich addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. Their ability to stabilize blood sugar and support heart health makes them an essential choice for anyone managing diabetes. So whether roasted, steamed, or tossed in a salad, turnips are a tasty, versatile, and health-supportive addition to your plate. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse food for anyone managing diabetes. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and a low glycemic index, they can help regulate blood sugar while satisfying your taste buds. Let's dive into why sweet potatoes are one of the top foods every diabetic should know about. Sweet potatoes are naturally low in glycemic index compared to regular potatoes, meaning they won't cause sudden blood sugar spikes. They're rich in fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping to keep blood sugar levels steady. On top of that, sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which support your immune system and overall health. Sweet potatoes offer numerous benefits for those with diabetes. They are nutrient-dense while being relatively low in calories, making them filling without compromising your diet. Their fiber content promotes gut health and contributes to improved blood sugar responses. Sweet potatoes are versatile and easy to prepare. Bake them, steam them, or mash them as a substitute for higher glycemic foods. Add them to your meals with lean proteins or pair them with green leafy vegetables for a well-balanced, diabetes-friendly option. For instance, roasted sweet potatoes with grilled chicken and steamed broccoli make an excellent, satisfying combination. Sweet potatoes are more than just a tasty side dish. They're a strategic choice for stabilizing blood sugar and maintaining overall wellness. With their combination of fiber, vitamins, and a low glycemic index, they can fit perfectly into any diabetes management plan. So if you're looking for simple ways to improve your diet, give sweet potatoes a try. They're healthy, delicious, and easy to add to your weekly routine. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes, it's also a natural powerhouse that can support blood sugar control for those managing diabetes. Incorporating garlic into your balanced diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and keep your blood sugar stable. Let's uncover why garlic is one of the top foods every diabetic should know about. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. These natural properties make garlic an excellent addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Studies suggest that garlic can help reduce fasting blood glucose levels and improve glycemic control, offering a natural approach to managing diabetes without relying solely on medication. Garlic isn't just good for flavor, it has powerful health benefits. It can reduce inflammation, support heart health, and boost immunity, which is vital for diabetics. Additionally, garlic's ability to improve insulin sensitivity means it can assist your body in using glucose more efficiently, which directly supports better blood sugar regulation. Garlic is versatile and easy to add to meals. You can roast it, sauté it, or eat it raw, depending on your preference. Add garlic to stir fries, soups, or roasted vegetables to elevate both flavor and health benefits. Pairing garlic with lean proteins like fish or chicken, or adding it to vegetable-rich dishes creates a balanced and delicious meal. Garlic is a simple, natural, and affordable way to support blood sugar management and overall health. Its insulin-enhancing properties, combined with its antioxidant effects, make it an essential addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. So if you're aiming to stabilize your blood sugar and explore natural ways to support your health, consider incorporating garlic into your next meal. It's tasty, versatile, and a small addition that can make a big difference. Sugar beets. Sugar beets are a nutrient-rich vegetable with a moderate glycemic index that can be a game changer for those managing diabetes. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, sugar beets can play a key role in improving insulin sensitivity and supporting blood sugar regulation. Let's dive into the reasons sugar beets should be on your radar. Sugar beets contain essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, which all contribute to better health. Their moderate glycemic index makes them a balanced option for anyone trying to control blood sugar spikes. Moreover, studies suggest that sugar beets can enhance insulin sensitivity, which allows your body to regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. One of the main reasons sugar beets are great for diabetics is their ability to regulate blood glucose. The dietary fiber in sugar beets slows the rate at which sugar is absorbed into the bloodstream, reducing sharp spikes after meals. Additionally, their antioxidant content combats oxidative stress, helping to prevent complications linked to diabetes. Sugar beets are versatile and easy to prepare in a variety of ways. You can roast them, steam them, or even enjoy them raw in fresh salads. For a healthy beverage option, try blending sugar beets into smoothies or juices with ingredients like citrus or leafy greens. Their sweet but natural flavor makes them a great addition to both savory and sweet dishes. Pair sugar beets with other diabetes-friendly foods like spinach, carrots, and lean proteins. Roasted sugar beets with a dash of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs make an excellent side dish. Alternatively, combine them with sweet potatoes or lentils in stews or soups for a comforting blood sugar-friendly meal. Sugar beets are a sweet, natural option that can enhance your diabetes management journey. With their moderate glycemic index, fiber, antioxidants, and potential to boost insulin sensitivity, they are a smart choice for maintaining stable blood sugar and overall health. So why not add sugar beets to your weekly grocery list? They're tasty, versatile, and your body will thank you for the sweet and healthy benefits. Give them a try and discover how they can improve your health. Conclusion. So there you have it, the top 7 types of tubers that diabetics should know. These nutrient-packed powerhouses can be your best ally in managing blood sugar levels while adding variety and flavor to your meals. Remember, making small, intentional changes to your diet can lead to big results over time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on tips to support your health journey. Which of these tubers are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for reading, and here's to a healthier, balanced lifestyle. See you in the next guide. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please drop a like and hit the subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it motivates us to continue creating more informative content to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.